The fifth strategic objective of the Global Action Plan on HIV drug resistance is about governance and enabling mechanisms. That includes advocacy, country ownership, coordinated action and sustainable funding. All are critical enablers to support action on HIV drug resistance. The Global Action Plan on HIV drug resistance promotes a shared responsibility and maps out actions for all stakeholders for an effective response. These stakeholders include member states, global and national partners, people living with HIV, community organizations and civil society, researchers, bilateral and multilateral donors, and WHO. Each stakeholder plays an important role. For example, countries are encouraged to have 5-year national HIV drug resistance strategies that are part and parcel of national HIV programs and have concrete implementation and sound funding plans. Funders should ensure that activities to monitor, prevent and respond to HIV drug resistance receive adequate funding. Implementing partners should support countries to effectively address and contain HIV drug resistance. The Global Action Plan provides a robust monitoring and evaluation framework. It has milestones and indicators that help to track progress. At national and global levels, these efforts are linked with plans to combat antimicrobial resistance, including tuberculosis and malaria. Another important component of the Global Action Plan is advocacy and communication. Many people, including heads of national HIV programs, lack awareness about the impact of HIV drug resistance. They don't realize that it can affect program success, increase costs, and adversely affect people's health. Together, we need to promote awareness and literacy about HIV drug resistance, from communities to policymakers, and from donors to implementers. There's also a need to have sustainable funding for HIV drug resistance monitoring, prevention and response. And the Global Fund is committed to support countries in these areas. Countries and donors will have to work together to ensure that each HIV treatment program plays its part in strengthening quality of HIV services through monitoring, preventing and responding to HIV drug resistance. Funds addressing the HIV epidemic need to be spent in a responsible, effective and sustainable manner. They need to support the development and implementation of national HIV drug resistance strategies as a core component of HIV treatment programs.